So students, today our topic is to write all the factors of a given number. So our topic today is to write all the factors of a number. So first of all, what are the factors? So for example, if we are having a number, for instance, we are having a number 18. So what are the factors of 18? So we may say that the factors of 18 are 1 into 18. We may say the factors of 18 are 2 into 9. Yes. We may say the factors of 18 are 3 into 6. So all these are the factors of 18. So we can say that 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are all the factors of 18. So similarly, if we are saying that, for example, write the factors of 13. So how can we factorize this? How can we divide this in the form of product? For example, 1 into 13. So any other way we can write 13 in the form of product, in the form of these factors? No, there is no other way. So we will say the factors of 13 are 1 into 13. So these two are the factors of 13. So we will say that this is a prime number, so it is having only 2 factors. So when a number is having only 2 factors, we say that this is a prime number, and when the number is having more than 2 factors, we say that all of these are composite numbers. So this is the concept we have already done. Now we are going to find it out, that either the number, how to write the factors of different numbers. For instance, our number is 28. So we are going to write the factors of 28. How to write the factors of 28? So first of all, we will think how different ways we can factorize 28. For instance, 1, because 1 is a factor of every number, so obviously 1 into 28. Then we will think about 2, as this is an even number, 28 is an even number, so 2 into 14. Then 3, so 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So 10 is not coming in the table of 3. It is not divisible by 3. So 28 is also not divisible by 3. Then, so 3 is not a factor of 28. Then we will think about 4. Yes, 4 into 7 is 28. So we can factorize it in this way as well. Then we will check 5. So as 28 is having the last digit is, it is not 5, it is not 0. So it is not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 5. So the factors, this is 5 is not a factor of 28. Then we will think about 6. As the number is not divisible by 3, it is only divisible by 2. So we will say this is not divisible by 6 as well. 7 we have already done. So we need not to check the next one. We will check only till now this number is going to be revised, so we need not to check the next one. We will not go beyond. So the factors of 28. So what will be the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4. First of all, we will write these one. 7, 14 and 28. So all of these are the factors of 28. So in this way we will write all the factors of a number. Now next, for instance, the number is 85. The number is 85. So we are going to check. First of all, we will check with 1. 1 into 85. So we have found 2 factors, 1 and 85. Now we will check with 2. So should we check with 2? No. This is not an even number, this is an odd number, so it will not be divisible by any of the even numbers. So we will not check the even numbers. Now we will check about 3. So 85, we will check by the divisibility rule. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 is not divisible by 3, so 85 is also not divisible by 3. We are not going to check 4 because it is an even number. Then we will check the 5. Yes, it must be divisible by 5. 85 must be divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5, and the divisibility rule of 5 is the last digit, the digit at the unit place must be 0 or 5. So we will check now. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So it is completely divisible. So the number is 5, and this number we will write over here 17. Now 6 we are not going to check. 7, it is not divisible by 7 because if we divided 7 ones are 7, 1 is remainder. 15 is not coming in the table of 7, so it is not divisible by 7. 8, it is not divisible by 8 because it is an odd number, so we are not going to check further. 9 tens are 90 and 9 nines are 81, so it is not coming in between. 85 is in between. 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90, so 85 over here, so it cannot come. It is not coming in the table of 10 as well, so further we will not check, because if we are going to check with 11 or 13, it will be multiplied by another number over here, like 6, 7, 8. We have already checked, so we need not to check them. Now the 85 is equal to 1, 5, 17, 85. So these are the numbers which are the factors of 85. In this way we will write all the factors. Now the next number, for instance, is 29. We are going to check either what are the factors of 29. So the first one is always 1 and 29. So this is the first way we can factorize this number. Any other way, we will not check any even number because the last digit is odd, so it will not be divisible by any even number. So we will check only the odd numbers. Now 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 11 is not divisible by 3, so 29 is not divisible by 3. Now we'll check 5. No, we will not check 5 because the last digit is 9, and the divisibility rule is either the last digit, either the digit at the unit place must be 0 or 5, so we will not check. 7, it is not coming because 7 fours are 28, so 29 cannot come in the table of 7. 8, we will not check. 9 threes are 27, so it cannot be come in the table of 9 as well. And 10 we will not check because it is an even number. 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, so we are coming back. 11 twos are, 11 threes are, so we are going back to the initial numbers 1, 2, 3. If we are taking the number 11, 12, 13, we will multiply them by the numbers from 1 till 9. So we have already checked from 1 till 9, so we are confirmed that it is not divisible by any other number. It has not any other factor. So 29 is having only two factors, 1 and 29. So we will say that it is a prime number. So in this way we will check the factors. One more number we will practice. Number is, for instance, 111. So we will check either 111 is divisible by which numbers. So 1 and 111. 1 multiplied by 111. This is the first factor. So the two factors we have found, 1 and 111. Now we will not check it by any even number because the last digit is odd, so we will check only by the odd numbers. Now by 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, so 3 is divisible by 3, so it must be divisible by 3. So we will check like this. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so we will do it by 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So yes, 3 into 37. It is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 7 as well, because if we are going to divide it by 7, it is not divisible anymore. 7 5s are 35 and there will be a remainder, so it will not be. So 7 8 is we will not check. 9, it is not divisible by 9 because the divisibility of a rule of 9 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. The divisibility rule of 9 is the sum of the numbers, sum of the digits of the number must be a number which should be divisible by 9. So it is not divisible by 9, it is not divisible by 10. The next numbers we are not going to check because they will come back to. If we are going to check 11, 13, 7, 15, 17, they must be multiplied by a smaller number like 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have already checked 1 till 9. They are not coming in any table. 111 is not coming in any of the table. So the numbers are 1, then it will be 3, it will be 37, it will be 111. So we have find out that 111 have the factors 1, 3, 37 and 11, and 111 is a composite number. Like this we will do it. Is it clear to everyone? Thank you, students.